So hello everyone. So many of you were requesting me to post some videos full of tricks, tips and tricks. So here I am posting you a video on physical chemistry from the solid state chemistry. Okay. Now in those questions in solid state, often we have to know that which plane will exist in BCC or FCC or a simple. Okay. In cubic we have three Brevis lattice. Okay, simple and BCC, body centered cubic, and one is FCC, face centered cubic. Z equals to 1 in this case, Z equals to 2, and this is Z equals to number of atoms is 4. Okay, now many a times the CSIR asks that whether, let's say, this 111 or say 200, let's say 412, and let's say 5 to 6, and let's say 1 1 3. Okay, and let me take one more. This is 2 to 0. Okay, if in exam it was asked that out of these planes which will lie in BCC. Okay, so how to do that? Now the trick is, these are HKL values. Okay, in simple cubic, these in simple cubic you have to remember that all plane lies. Okay, now comes the BCC structure, body centered cubic. In this case just add HKL. Okay, if it comes out even, then it will lie. Okay, the plane will lie. If H plus K plus L is odd, which means don't, the plane will not lie. Okay, example, we have to check this 111 whether this plane will lie or not. So just add them, 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3, this is odd, that means this plane will not lie in BCC. Now let's say one more example. This is 1 1 3, again add them, 3 plus 1 plus 1, this is 5, this is odd, that means it will not lie. Let's say 200, this is 2 plus 0 plus 0, this is 4, this is even. Okay, so this 200 plane will lie in BCC. Now for FCC, if the H, K and L, all HKL values are odd. Okay, and if either all the values are odd or all the values are HKL values are even. Okay, then in both case plane will lie. Example, I am taking an example. Let's say this is 4 1 2. Okay, this is HKL, this is even, odd, even, so this will not lie. If I say 1 1 1, all are odd, HKL all are odd, that means it will lie. Okay, let's say if I say 1 1 3, all are odd, that means it will lie in FCC. Okay, let's say I have this 200, all are even, that means it will lie. Okay, so I am ending this video. अगर यहाँ तक देख लिया है तो लाइक कर देना और कमेंट करके बताना वीडियो कैसा लगा। सो फॉर द नेक्स्ट टाइम, साइनिंग ऑफ। थैंक यू।